with Willow. We're gonna do neck roll exercises today. So in a seated position, you could do this sitting at your desk. You should do each position holding about 3 seconds. So the first one, Willow, is chin to chest. When you go chin to chest, does that cause you any pain or discomfort?
No.
0 to 10, you want about a stretch in your neck, about a 5. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Then you want to go ear to shoulder, so clockwise. You should feel here a stretch in your left lateral trapezium.
Yeah.
Okay? Then you want to go all the way up to the ceiling. Any pain or discomfort?
Just stretch.
Stretch. You feel it through here,
Yeah.
anterior SCM muscles. And then again, ear to shoulder. You should feel your right lateral trapezium. You feel it?
Yes, I do.
And then you come back to center. Okay? So the first one, you go clockwise. You try to hold each position for 3 seconds. Then you do the same thing and you go counterclockwise. Again, you should feel it in your right trap. Hold 3 seconds. Up to the ceiling, anterior part of your neck, ear to shoulder, left trapezium, and then center. How did that feel?
That's good.
Okay, and that's it. That's neck rolls.
Where you